Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to easily change graphic settings in Doomsday Last Survivors game. If you want Doomsday Last Survivors to run smoother or look even more amazing on your device, you can easily change the graphic settings. First things first, launch open Doomsday Last Survivors on your device and wait for it to fully load. From the main menu, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom left. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on System Settings. Now, from the System Settings menu, look for the Graphic Quality option at the very top. If you are using a low-spec devices, then you can easily choose Low so that the device supports the graphic settings. If you have a high performance device, then you can choose the high option. Now go to the frame rate option and choose a higher frame rate if you want a smoother gameplay, or you can also choose to mid or low if you have a low spec device. Now when it comes to optimized mode, go ahead and enable the optimized mode. When you turn this on, you can select different level of optimizations, that is low optimization or high. Once you make these three changes in the system settings, you'll be able to change your graphic quality or your graphic settings depending upon your device's operating system and capacity. So that is how you can easily change your graphic quality on Doomsday Last Survivors. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.